Hi, I'm Kayla, and in this video, I'm going to be talking about some hospitality trends. The first hospitality trend are digitalized experiences. Apps have become so much more important in the way hoteliers manage their services, and they can now control many aspects of the guest experience through the app. What I mean by apps is, for example, a hotel might have an app that allows customers to make reservations online. It might allow them to order from the restaurant online. It just allows them to control many aspects of the experience through technology. And also, digitalized experiences can also refer to social media. This new day and age, a lot of people are using social media as a way to learn more about hotels and things like that, so it's important that hotels use social media as a tool. The next trend is a sharing economy. For example, this is Airbnb. And what this does is it's going to disturb the industry because for so long it has just been traditional hotels, but now we are facing an entire new type of hotel, quote unquote, like Airbnb. And the reason it's a lot more competitive is because of the different rules. Airbnb does not have to follow the same rules traditional hotels have to, so that's why some people prefer to go to Airbnb over, say, Marriott hotels. So it's important to take this into consideration. This is competition for regular hotels as well. The next trend are generations Y and Z. These are the two generations that are going to hotels more often than the previous generations, and they have different needs. For example, say instead of traditional hotels and taxi driving, they prefer Airbnb and Uber. And they're also more technology driven. So with more technology and by catering to their needs, such as technology, you will be able to capture these generations, which is what a lot of hotels are focusing on right now. And lastly, I want to talk about coronavirus. It's not really a trend, but I do think that coronavirus is going to change the hospitality industry. For example, there's going to be more technology and less human interaction, because if there's more human interaction, it increases the risk for coronavirus spreading. But hotels can't just not open. They have to keep their business somewhere, so a lot more technology is going to be used to keep everything more safe. I also think Airbnb is going to become less popular just because there's not a lot of precautions being made, as far as I can tell, from Airbnb, but I haven't done as much research as I would like to about how Airbnb is going to change because of the coronavirus. And also, I believe that hotels are going to have to be more workers. For example, they're going to have a lot more people on the cleaning team. They're going to have to be a lot more people in the behind the scenes to create the technology that's going to be used at the hotel. So yeah, I just wanted to talk about a little bit about how coronavirus is going to make a lot of things different than we're used to. So thank you for listening. I hope that you guys learned some hospitality trends that you can use for your role plays and your writtens. And yeah, bye.